Olsa Tools sent me their 2-piece Indexing Pry Bar kit. And then when you open it here, it comes in its own little plastic tray, like so. That'll fit perfectly right in your toolbox. So these are the 2 bars. So the head turns 180 degrees and it is lockable in any position. Now onto the second box. This is a 3-piece swivel head ratchet set. I am going to attempt to open. I am a sucker for all things plastic container wise. So we have our 1/2 inch, we have our 3/8, and then we have our 1/4 inch. So let's pull out this 3/8. So the top here just gets twisted, whether you're tightening or loosening. And then you can adjust it wherever you need to go. So you have 270 degrees of angle that you can do. And they fit